Let's see the same paso de Jerez, this development of the compás that is very typical to Jerez. And if you want to play bulerias like people from Jerez, it is very nice if you will know it also in the position of por arriba. I'm going to play it a bit differently, so it won't be identical, and I'm going to include a very nice remate to the end of it. So it's going to work the same way. Previously, we started here in C, but now we are in different positions, so we are going to transport it to por arriba. You can see the chords even maintain almost the same shape, so it's very easy to get it. So now we are going to start here. El paso de Jerez por arriba. So the end of this paso de Jerez was different than the one from por medio, because we don't like to repeat ourselves. And the beginning was the same, the paso itself was the same. Here I do a remate, triam, 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 F, G, and G sharp, and G, and golpe, and from here. This one, golpe, going up with my first finger. It's again, we don't lift the hand from the golpe until we want to do that, okay? It's like golpe and then the first finger goes down, so 3 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also incorporate it in the middle of compás. It's a nice remate.